The purpose of this section is to familiarize you with the process of heat transfer. Heat transfer is defined as the movement of heat from one object or an area to another. It is always transferred from the hot object to the colder object. In this picture of a radiator, we see that the warm air rises out of the radiator, mixes with the surrounding air, becomes cooler, and the cool air sinks back down to the intake underneath the radiator. Let's take a look at some examples of heat transfer. An example of heat needing to transfer away from an object is the burner on a stove cooling off once the stove has been turned off. An example of heat needing to transfer towards an object would be a cold steak or any other type of food that you need to cook on a grill. The heat from the flame is transferred to your cold steak or other food. In the next video, we will take a look at the 3 different types of heat transfer.